In this video, let's learn how to change Facebook Messenger language. By default, English would be selected on your Messenger app. Now, if you want to change this language to any other language that you prefer, you would not really see that option within the Messenger app. Even if you head over to the settings of Messenger, you cannot see any option called changing the language. If you're using Messenger on your desktop or the website of Facebook, you can easily use Google Translate to change in the language. But if you want to change it within the mobile app of Messenger, you need to change the language of your entire phone. Only that way the Messenger language would also be changed. So if you want that, then you can follow the steps. If not, there is no other way that you can change in the language of your Facebook Messenger instead of changing the language of your phone. So open up the settings of your phone and then open up the language settings. The language settings on my device is inside additional settings. If you don't know where it is, you can search for it on the search bar. So mine is inside additional settings, language and input, and languages. Once you land on the languages, you'd be able to view all of the languages that are available on the device. To change it, just tap on the language and tap on OK. This might take a few seconds, so you'll need to wait out. And as you can see, the language for my device now has been changed to Spanish because I've selected Spanish right here. Now you can again open up your Messenger app. Now as you can see, the language has now been changed to Spanish, and it should be also changed for yours to the one that you selected. So this is the only way that you can change the language of your Facebook Messenger. That is to change the entire language of your phone. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel if you are interested in more videos just like this. That's pretty much it for today. I'll see you guys in the next video.